Okay, guys, good evening. Hope we are doing fine. As you can see, it's very cold. Yeah, it's very cold. So, we're having challenges in terms of studying at night. So, as you can see, I have this question. I have these questions for mathematics paper 1. Hope you can see very well. Yeah, so I want us to solve before you sleep. Because hapa vambi already na varara no kulala hapa. Already na varara. So, let's start solving. So I'll start with question 1. So these questions are coming from 2017 internal paper 1. So we have question 1. So question 1, they are saying for the sequence 25, 22, 19 and 16, find the formula for the nth term. Then B, they have said sum of the first 20 terms. So now this question, it's arithmetic progression. It only comes in maths paper 1. It's arithmetic progression. So they have said they want us to find the formula for the nth term. So what you have to do, you write the formula now for the nth term. So let's write the formula. So the formula is Tn is equals to A plus open bracket n minus 1 close multiplied by d. So now this is the formula. Tn is equals to A plus n minus 1 multiplied by d. So A is the first term, n is the number of terms. Like how many terms are they talking about? Is it 20 terms? Is it 10 terms? Is it 5? So n is the number of terms, A is the first term, then d is the common ratio. So now we have been given these points. We have 25. Hope you are able to see. So we have 25, we have 22, we have 19, as well as 16. So the numbers continues as follows. So we have these numbers. So now for us to find the formula for the nth term, we have to know the common difference. The first term we know that the first term is the number that is starting at first. So it's 25. Now the common difference. So for us to find common difference, we say T2 minus T1, which means second term minus the first term. Nishitwarasanga common difference. So we have T1, we have T2, we have T3, we have T4. So now let's find the common difference. So for us to find the common difference, we say common difference is equals to, so what's T2? 22 minus, they know what number we have in but T1, that's 25. So our common difference is equals to, so we subtract 22 minus 25, which will give us negative 3. Mind you, you don't have to use a calculator. It's maths paper 1, so they don't allow using a calculator. So you have to get used with these numbers. Kula over sana, then you'll be used. So now let's substitute this information that we have. So our Tn is equals to, so our first term is 25 plus open bracket, then n is the number of terms. Now in this case we don't have, so we just write n minus 1 close bracket, then common difference is this one, negative 3. So write it. So here we multiply by negative 3. So now our Tn is equals to 25. We start multiplying. So what you have to do here, you multiply this negative that you are seeing, this negative, you multiply it with this positive, which is here, which will give us negative 3. Then you multiply this 3, which is here. So you multiply this 3, which is here, you multiply it with the n, which is inside the brackets. So it will give us negative 3n n. So you write your n here. Then you multiply negative times negative, which will give us positive. Positive what? 3. Then you write your Tn is equals to, you correct your like terms. You discover that 25 and 3, these are like terms. So what you have to do, E3, it will shift to go this other side. So we have 25. You maintain the sign doesn't change. So you maintain the sign. So here the sign is positive 3. So you move with the sign. So here it will be positive 3 minus 3n. So write Tn is equals to, you add 25 plus 3, which will give us 28 minus 3n as our nth term. So this is how you answer the nth term. This is how you answer. So now let's go to another question. So we have this question. Where is it? So 1b, it's saying find the sum of the first 20 terms. Find the sum of the first 20 terms. So for you to find the sum for this one, you have to know the formula. If you don't know the formula, you can't answer this question. So let's write the formula for sum. Sn is equals to n over 2, open bracket, 2a plus, open bracket, n minus 1 multiplied by common difference. So this is the formula now. This is the formula that you have to use. So now we have this formula. Let's now start putting in the information that we have up.